what we have here is a Transit 125 350 that's had an awful lot of work done on it. She's been worked hard too, but she has a brand new engine, just over a year ago, a brand new floor in the back, 6 anchors on the floor for tying motorcycles or whatever down, new floor, lights, which there are 3 of, which, trust me, is more than enough. A few bits have been added in here, namely these bits, so you can put a net across that and section the area off, stop things flying about. Door has been done at the back, all strengthened, all cleaned. Yep, light switch, just there. You do need to turn the side lights on if you want to run the lights in the back. If you want them running indefinitely, probably better drive your engine running. New wheels, new tyres, rear suspension's been done. The lower wishbones at the front have been done. So that obviously means ball joints and everything else. The prop shaft was done just before I got it, so I had a full service right the way through. So that's diff oil, everything has been done. Isolator been put in for the tailgate, so that's currently in the on position, as you can see. There's also a rear reversing camera, courtesy internal screen, so you can see that. That's also a Bluetooth radio, CD player, DVD player, new battery. Yeah, boatload of work's been done. Too much to remember, to be honest. Paperwork I have for everything. Nice clean van, considering it is a workhorse. Yep, nice 2.2 lump, which, as I say, fitted by Ford, so all good to go, and she drives like a dream. Current mileage is, I believe, going back in, just as you can see, is 138, near as damn it. Engine was fitted at either 128 or 132, can't remember which. Electric windows, everything works.